So let's talk about the expert witness here on the stand. Josh, talk to me generally about expert witnesses who are talking about patients that were never theirs and never saw, for instance, the suffering of patients. How does the jury take them, understand them, process the information that is given?
Yeah, that's a great question. First of all, I think this doctor is doing a great job. I mean, you can tell that he's obviously well prepared and has a high level of expertise. The way he keeps on making eye contact with the jury, you can usually understand that to be an expert witness who's used to be testifying in a courtroom. But what he's really trying to do here, and what's helpful to the prosecution, is he's trying to reconstruct what might have been the intent of the doctor, the defendant doctor, at the time of giving these doses, right? So he's saying, listen, I can understand giving somebody, making the dying process comfortable, is the quote that he used. But when you give someone the levels of dosages that he was giving, now you've got what he called a cocktail that would lead to death. So he's really trying to establish for the jurors, help them understand what would have been the intent, which is the whole point of this trial. The whole question of this trial is what was his intent in giving those levels of the drugs that he was giving to them. And obviously, the argument that they're trying to make is it was to put them to death rather than give them comfort.